I just love your accent. Can you say peanut butter again?
Peanut butter.
Take a look at this. Watch as the artist shows a simple, easy way to draw a hand. In just 15 seconds, the artist creates a pretty remarkable image of a hand, and it looks pretty simple, right? We're gonna give it a shot.
Alright, you know. Tan-tara! Wait lang.
No pain, no gain. No retreat, no surrender. No guts, no glory. No ID, no entry.
Ang pogi mo. Ang pogi mo.
Weh, di nga. Stop.
Ang pogi mo.
Stop eh. Kinikilig ako. Stop.
Psych, nasunog ka na.
With me now, I'm a pimp, Oh my God!
Run.
This is how Asians answer the phone. Japanese. Hai, moshimoshi, Suzuki desu. Korean. 네, 여보세요? And Filipino. Hello, sino to? Hoy, Jun, tumahimik ka nga dyan. Ingay mo, may kausap ako sa telepono. Hello? Char.
Hey, Blessy. Can you use the words green, pink, and yellow in a sentence? And hostess, tissue, and statue?
Oh yes, of course. The phone rings. Ring. I think of the bone. Yellow. Hostess. Statue. Tissue.
Ang kikit naman na baby namin. Ang kikit. Ang kikit na baby. Ang kikit na baby. To. Ha? To. Hala. Magsasalita ka na baby. To. Daddy! Yung baby natin magsasalita na. Dali. Punta ka dito, dali. Say daddy. To. Say daddy. Daddy. Renegade.
Nakakatiktok ko to eh.
Oh, where are you going?
Upo kayo sa upuan nyo. Tumayo lahat ng bobo. Ba't ka tumayo? Inaamin mong bobo ka? Naawa ako sa'yo, sir. Ikaw lang nakatayo eh.
Did you know there is a secret message inside each packet of Pansit? You'll need 1 packet of Pansit, 1 board marker, and 1 sheet of paper. Open the Pansit. Now apply pen. Take your Pansit and push it on the paper. Then push hard and lift.
Ma! Bakit? Ba't ka sumisigaw? Ako sumisigaw? Did you forget your mom is Filipino? This is my normal fucking voice! Punyeta, are you stupid? This is me shouting, "Rah!" Like that, stupid!
This is how Asians say, "Ooh, I'm full." Koreans, "Apebulo." Japanese, "Ao nakaipai." Chinese, "Chipaola." And Filipinos, "Busog na ako." Hindi, busog na talaga ako, busog na ako. Busog na ako, hindi ko talaga kaya, busog na ako. Char.
Mama, look, I got a dog!
Putang ina. Ano naman ang Cassandra? I don't want to bring any fucking animal here in the house.
But I'll take care of her!
You can't even take care of yourself. How are you gonna take care of that? Puta. 5 minutes later.
I love you.
Mom, have you seen my jogging pants? Yes, I already washed it. It's in your cabinet. Mom, I can't find it. It's not here. Stop finding with your mouth. Find with your eyes. If I find it, I will hit you. Okay, Mom, no, I'll find it myself. Okay. No, I will find it. If I find it, I will hit you. I already told you, don't look with your mouth.
You good, bro? You must remain strong, comrade. Oh, ay! ¿Te encuentras bien? Gago, tama!
Pustahan tayo, narinig nyo na tong mga linya na to galing sa mama nyo. Top 10 paboritong linyahan ng mga mama nyo. Bahala ka sa buhay mo!
Saan ka na naman pupunta? Sinasabi ko na nga ba? Alam mo ba nung araw? Anong kala mo sa akin tumatain ng pera? Manang-mana ka sa tatay mo. Mata kasi ang gamitin, hindi yung bunganga mo.
Papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. Pag lumabas ka, huwag ka nang babalik dito. Hinahanap ka na ng tatay mo.
3, 2, 1.
Mag-a-apply po akong seaman. Marunong ka lumangoy? Hindi po eh. Paano ka magsisiman kung di ka marunong lumangoy? Bakit yung mga piloto ba marunong lumipad?
Did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way.
Sorry po. Ay, nako. Isa pa.
Pasensya, sorry.
Putang ina. Isa pa.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. How are you guys today?
I went downstairs and my sister was making something. I asked her what she was making and she said it was pancit canton. Hindi ko naman alam na prank yun. Pero naniwala ako. This is her giving me the pancit canton. And if you guys didn't know, that was samyang. And this is me trying it for the first time. Dito, nainitan ako kasi super anghang. So I got water, drank it, pero kulang pa eh. Then I got milk, then umokay na. This is me trying it for the second time. Loading. Ang anghang. Okay, I need water. This is me trying it for the third time. And me shaking. Tapos nagpapanik na ako kasi super anghang talaga. Ayoko na. Then, pagbalik ko sa ate ko, pinagtawanan nga ako. She didn't want anymore, so I didn't know what to do with this. Then, this is the part where I realized that I had a fan. Then, at least, medyo umokay na. Then, this is the part where I realized I can prank Ate Rose. So, I went to the other house, gave Ate Rose the samyang, and this is her trying it.
Ilan ba ang mga tao dito?
Isa.
Ang galing! Sige, ilan na ba ang mga tao dito?
Isa.
Hindi! Dalawa ito, di ba? Di ba may isa dito at isa dito? Kaya, dalawa na? Sige, kung dalawang tao to, ilan na ba ang mga tao dito?
Dalawa.
Hindi! Ilan ba ang lahat ng mga tao dito sa papel?
Marami.
Ay, naku! Sige! Kung tatakpan ko ang mga taong to, ilan na ba ang mga tao?
Isa,
Mabuti! Sige, ilan na ba?
Dalawa.
Sige, i-double mo na ang number na yan!
Dalawa.
Ay,